All right, we are on our way to the Olympus Cove project right now to check out the progression that's happened over the last week. I am on the freeway. We should be at the house in about 7-ish minutes. And when we get there, we'll go inside and take a peek of all of the work. All right, we are back here at the house. Another week has gone by, so let's take a peek at what has kind of progressed along the way. So there's not going to be a ton to show that's visual because a lot of it's behind and under the floor. So the new location for the kitchen sink has been put in, the new plumbing location. So that has been added. That'll be the drain, the hot and cold water under the window that we talked about. The old sink location, which is right there, has been basically eliminated. So let me kind of stand right here. There's where the new sink is going to be. There's where the front door is that I just came in. And you can see in there, the hot and cold water will go in the bathroom. That's where most of the progression that is going to be visual has happened. We'll go downstairs real quick too, and you can see that downstairs there's been a lot that's been happening, but it's mostly behind the walls. So here's where the new bathroom that we just added, the sink's going to go right here. And basically the toilet's going to go there. And of course we got the new tub. And this was the old doorway to go into that bedroom that we now are closing up. And we had to cut a new doorway into the wall right here so that one can go into that bedroom, since we're now converting this space into a bathroom, which is really cool because this floor was only a one bathroom. And by doing this, we were able to make the one bathroom a master suite by cutting that wall open here and creating a door that will come into the existing bathroom that already was here. And now we have two bathrooms, a master suite, and of course this other bathroom that anybody can use, maybe the kids' bathroom for company. So now we also had to cut a hole here to create a doorway to now access this new master bedroom, because this was the old way to get into this bedroom, which of course we're closing off. And so where I'm standing right now is a hallway that would allow you to go into either bedroom. So coming over here, you can see the tile has been done in the bathroom. Looks really good, and the tile has actually been done under that blanket. The blanket's now just protecting the tile. But we relocated the toilet. You can see this is where it's going to go. The toilet was right there. But what we did is we created a double vanity up against this wall. The vanity was right here against this section right there, which of course, vanity was up against that wall. This hole, this doorway did not exist. We, as I mentioned, cut it open. So due to that, we had to push the vanity over there, and now we're adding a double vanity. So the master suite's going to have a his and her sink, light switch, and then 4 outlets right there in the middle of the vanity, so that there's plenty of electrical space for the family in this house. And so basically, this is pretty much the most of what is gotten done. We'll go downstairs, kind of give you an idea of what the behind the scenes look like, meaning in order to access new plumbing to the new location, the ceilings had to be cut open. And so with new electrical going to new locations, new plumbing going to new locations, we had to cut open the ceiling. You're either going to cut the ceiling open or the floor open. We chose to cut the ceilings open. I can explain that in another video. I won't explain it here, but you can see there's holes in all the ceilings. That's where they're running electrical to the new locations. This is the new his and hers vanity drain right there. That's the master bathroom that we created upstairs. And you can see new wiring has been run here. And then we had to cut out all the ceiling here in the bathroom. This is all the new plumbing going to the new bathroom locations where we've moved everything. So everything upstairs happened down here. So we're gonna have to sheetrock the ceiling back and close it all up. And here in the laundry room, again, you can see a lot of the, let me kind of come stand in this corner to give you a perspective. So I'm in the corner right here. You can see all of the hot and cold waters running to its new locations. That one's probably going to the kitchen somewhere. Those are going into the bathroom upstairs. Here what we've done is we've actually put 2 washer hookups, which is really cool. Let me back up. So you'll be able to have 2 washing machines, one in that corner, one in this corner, and then the dryer will be here in the middle. So you can really utilize 2 washing machines to take care of your laundry by having 2 washing machines, which is pretty cool. Something that we're kind of doing only in higher end homes. This is just kind of a plus, as we would call it, a sizzle factor. It just kind of adds to the appeal of the home. A lot of people don't have 2 washing machines in their laundry room, so it is pretty cool to be able to get your laundry done in half the time, because you can do 2 loads at once. So that is, so here we've framed a wall right here, and we're actually going to frame it. It's going to go to this beam right there. The wall will go to this beam, and then we're going to create another wall right there with a door that will go into there. So if I back up from that beam across, this is going to be the utility room. You'll be able to access the water heater, furnace, and then under the stairs will be nice storage for like a Christmas tree or whatever, boxes. It's a pretty big space. It's right here it's very tall, and then obviously it gets narrower down to there, but you can store a lot of stuff in this space. And then we're going to be finishing this laundry room. We'll frame the exterior wall right here, put sheetrock, put sheetrock here in the ceiling, make it a really nice, pretty laundry room, tile in here as well. So it's a pleasant place to do laundry right now. With it being an unfinished laundry room and having always been an unfinished laundry room, it's kind of a dark, dingy laundry room. Probably not the best place to want to go do laundry, but when we're all done with it, it's going to look really nice, really fresh, and really clean. All right, so that is pretty much all there is to see. Most of the work has been behind the walls, behind the ceilings. I should say up above the sheetrock in the ceilings. So once the electrician's done and the HVAC people are done running the ductwork to the new locations where we're going to have return and supply air, and the electrician's done running wires to the new locations, then we'll be putting it all back together, putting sheetrock back up on there, and then the house will then start to take its transformation with the finishes, and I'm excited to see how that comes along. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.